So let's learn about the rectangle tool in this video. For now, let's make a quick rectangle without using the exact measurements. You can find the measurement box in the right corner, right here. So the first click gives you the beginning point of the rectangle, and the second click will determine the end point of the rectangle. And this is the way how we can create a quick rectangle in SketchUp. The one thing which I forgot to explain in the previous video is that in order to reverse the faces, you'll have to right click on your mouse button instead of left click, and after that you can reverse the faces. Make sure to always reverse the faces because it can cause a lot of problem later on in the future while you're rendering your design. You have to keep in mind that don't click and hold on your mouse button while moving to the next point, because this can cause actually a lot of problems. You can just see it as a simple 2-click process. Now let's delete this rectangle. In order to do that, just left click and hold on your mouse button while selecting this rectangle. And after selecting the rectangle, you can hit the delete key on the keyboard. You can also use the eraser on the large toolbar set. But if you use that, you'll have to delete all these edges one by one, which can be actually very time consuming. The next thing which we are going to learn is how we can create a quick rectangle by using the exact dimensions. So let's make one of 6 by 4 meter. In order to make one, first let's specify the beginning point of the rectangle. And after that, just type in the value 6,4 meter and then just hit the enter key. Don't try to enter the value from the measurement box because it doesn't work in that way and it can cause a lot of problems. Just one last tip very quickly. Even if you have chosen for a meter template, you are still able to type in the value in inches or feet. For example, you can type in 6 feet, 9 feet, or 20 inch, 40 inch.